Hello, my dear students of class 1. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. So today I am here once again to discuss about your project assignment for term 2. So what you will have to do in this project assignment, I will discuss one by one. So listen carefully. Write your project in a practical copy. You have to do all the projects in one practical file. Practical file means this type of copy where on the right side you will get ruled page. You have to write your projects on this side, and on the other side, that means on the left side, you will get white page where you have to draw or paste pictures. For writing portion, use pencils. For drawing, you can use crayons or color pencils. But do not use sketch pens. Your project submission date will be notified later. Now, I will discuss about the cover page of your project file. So, in this way, you will cover your project file. You have to write session 2021-22, name, class, section, roll number and subject project assignment. Those who have covered your project file earlier, they do not require to cover it again. Now, on the second page, you will write acknowledgement. There, you will have to write, I would like to express my special thanks and gratitude to my subject teachers as well as our principal ma'am to give me the golden opportunity to do all these wonderful projects. I would also like to thank my parents and friends who helped me with their valuable suggestions and guidance. Then you will write date in this place, and on the right side you will write your name, class, section and roll number, and leave this space for teacher's signature. On the third page, you have to write index. There, you have to make 7 columns: serial number, date, subject, topic, page number, and teacher signature. In the first column, you will write serial numbers. In the second column, you will write dates for the particular project. In the third column, you have to write subject. In the fourth column, you will write the topics. For example, for the subject English, the topic is describe an insect. In the next column, you will write page number and leave this space for teacher's signature. Now, I will discuss about the last page where you will write bibliography. There, you have to write, to make all these projects, I have taken help from internet as well as from my textbooks. Now, I will discuss your project topics one by one. For the subject English, the topic is describe an insect. So, what you will have to do? First, you will have to write English on the top of the ruled page. Then you will write topic, that is describe an insect. You have seen butterfly, isn't it? So you have to write 3 lines describing a butterfly on this right side, that means on the ruled page. And you will make a butterfly by using tissues, or you can use any soft papers and make it colorful. Then you will paste that butterfly on this white page like this. For the subject Bengali, the topic is Ladakher Darshaniyo Sthan. First you have to write Bengali on the top of the ruled page. Then you will write topic, that is Ladakher Darshoniyo Sthan. Then you have to write the names of any 3 visiting places of Ladakh. And on the left side you have to paste any one picture of these 3 places. For the subject Hindi also, you have to write Hindi on the top of the ruled page. Then you will write topic. After that, you will have to write the names of 2 animals of Ladakh. And then you will write 2 sentences about these animals on the ruled page. And on the white page, you will paste the pictures of those animals. For the subject mathematics, the topic is ascending order. First, you will write mathematics on the top of the ruled page. Then you will write topic ascending order. You all know what is ascending order. Ascending order means you have to arrange the numbers starting from smaller one to bigger one. Here also the month-wise temperature of Ladakh in summer season is given. You have to arrange it in ascending order and you will write it on the right side of your project copy. And on the left side you will paste any scenery of Ladakh. For the subject EVS, the topic is popular food of Ladakh. So again you will write EVS on the top of the ruled page and then you will write topic. After that you will have to write the names of any 3 popular food items of Ladakh. And on the left side, that means on the white page, you can draw or paste any 2 relevant pictures of them. Subject computer. The topic is computer mouse. First you will write computer on the top of the ruled page. Then you will write topic. Then you have to write few lines about a computer mouse on this right side, that means on the ruled page of your project copy, and you have to draw or paste a picture of mouse on the left side of your project copy. For the subject GK, you have to write general knowledge on the top of the ruled page. Then you will write topic and the topic is outdoor games. You have to write the names of any 3 outdoor games on the right side, that means on the ruled page of your project copy. I hope you all have seen kite, isn't it? So you have to make a kite using newspaper or any waste page, and you have to paste it on the left side, that means on the white side of your project copy. And don't forget to make your kite colorful. So in this way, you have to make your project assignment for term 2. And don't forget to write bibliography at the end of the project. And my request to all parents that you can help your wards to do this project assignment, but let them do their project by their own. I hope you have understood well. Take care. Thank you.